Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, I know you not want to miss this. So, lock the date and don't be late. Make sure you secure the orders from now. Bartender Cookout is the place to be. Remember our last vlog? I did tell you to look out for part 2, right? So welcome to part 2 of our vlog, going to St. Mary. So we're finally here at Heart Trust NSTA and we are safe and sound, people. And yeah, I'm good. I don't know, say food no day. Chris is not happy though.
Wow. She have damaged it.
Guess the song we're dancing to, and the winner will win a $500 credit. Remember to check out our dancehall course. We are at Cardiff Hotel and Spa and we are now in our 3rd week of teaching. Plus, remember the students will be certified by City and Guilds. Name the era and win a $500 credit. If you want to learn for dance, just link up. Then you know watch good knee. No sir. I love that dance, you know. Everybody start take care of yourself. Follow the rhythm and take care of yourself. Spin it and take care of yourself. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, listen, no man. If them bad, just comment some fire emojis to me, no man. Ciao. Having a fruit stop from the farmer himself, where you can get proper grown banana when you look tired, and the biggest jelly them will wash off your heart and full your belly too, you know. My God. See it there? Shelly, I wash off her heart.
All of them people lock up in a car like them a bleach. Like a bleach, them a bleach. I'm afraid of sun. Watch out. This not cute none at all. I'm just lock up in a car, I'm a bleach, how happen? I'm afraid of sun.
Hey, we can't forget the soup, you know. Right now is another food stop called Hungry Attack. So, you know how it go. What chili bread? No, sir. I know mango's bread this, you know. Elephant bread.
Some people, them they has no wickedness. Me not touch the chicken I know. Me just fuck that chicken and come back so. What the fuck, man? There are 4 wickedness in there. So them can't tell them about man. Nah, all the chicken is
So this is called the OFC chicken.
Oh, you know? That's him.
And
Of
a
course,
KFC.
of course, chicken. One Leland truck. Awa. I video me all time when I consume. Awa. What?
Where are we?
If I get kitchen going right. Yeah, man.
Come here, bite the part of the church. What's the camera on?
We're now heading back home. Hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. See you next time. The menu is now out. So people, it's time to choose your favorite meals. How to do so? Send us a DM at Xpressionzja on Instagram, or you can send us a WhatsApp at 1-876-504-8773. Plus, don't forget the big bad after party. Listen, place your orders now. Orders close off on August 8th. See you there.